Greetings to all. This is Dr. Katyeni Gandrakota, Associate Professor, Department of Applied Mathematics, Yogi Vemana University, Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. During the pandemic time, we observe around us and from known friends and families facing so many problems. Our family members think about, in addition, our professional responsibility, they doing help to the needy people in our level best. In that time, unexpectedly, we got the Each One Reach One mission. After the interaction of Dr. Sai Kiran Garu, Professor, Mahatma Gandhi National Council of Rural Education, we choose third category, emotional support in Reach One mission. Myself and my research scholars, Mr. Satya Nagendra and Mr. P. Prakash Gaur, every day calling at least 6 to 7 people and asking their health condition and suggest how to improve their immunity, different types of precautionary steps about vaccine and other mental issues. We concentrated COVID positive home quarantine people and we monitored their health condition through phone and give emotional support. We supported 9 members for who got affected by COVID. By God's grace, they got recovered and living safe. We are feeling responsible and very happy to involve in this mission and work like this. Thank you to the team of Each One Reach One mission for giving this opportunity. Thank you. Sandri.
Namaste to all. I am S. Satyanagendra Rao, Research Scholar, Department of Applied Mathematics, Yogi Vemana University, Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. I am working under Dr. Katyayani Madam from the month of May onwards. By observing the situations of this COVID pandemic, Madam started voluntarily helping to the needy people, and she is giving emotional support, not only that, financial support and shelter also for quarantine of the people who are very poor. Next, even their family members, her family members also taken a part in this. And after knowing about this Each One and Reach One mission by Sai Kiran sir, I also got an opportunity to take a part in this mission. And under the guidance of Katyayani Madam, we started working under this mission also. For this, we collected some information related to for giving precautionary measures for the patients or those who are having the symptoms, mild symptoms of this COVID pandemic. So we have taken the measures from the doctors and we shared those measures with the patients. And those who are in home quarantine, for them also, we have given that instructions, how they have to be in the home and how they have to in contact with the others by maintaining the mask and try to be in a separate room like that. Next, taking the healthy food. Like that, we have given some instructions for the people. Every day, I contacted at least 10 people, and directly also in my colony and in the surrounding colony also, I motivated people to take vaccine. Some people, those who are having some fear in their mind and some myths also, so we motivated them and encouraged them to take vaccine, and we have taken updates also about that. Update in the sense whether they are taking vaccine or not, like that also we are checking. And while contacting the people, we are hearing their problems also. So, and we are inquiring how is the situation of their health after those who affected by the COVID. So after curing, how is their health? And those who are depressed with that COVID-19, yes, for them, we have given emotional support also. Okay, so not only that, so for some families from my side also, I helped a little bit economically also. Next, for them, we encouraged to take healthy food and these are the activities actually we have done in that process. See that these are all the activities we have done under the guidance of Katyani madam. Yes. In this way, I also learned myself some more new points, and it is giving, and I'm feeling very happy to be a part of this Each One Reach One mission to help the needy people. That is possible for me because of that Katyani madam. She has given a lot of support to me and guidance also. And I'm thankful to the team of Each One and Reach One mission, especially Sai Kumar sir. Thank you all. Thank you.
I am Prakash Toad, Research Scholar, Department of Applied Mathematics, Yogi Women University, Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh, under the guidance of Dr. Katyani Madam. From the month of May onwards, by observing the COVID situation pandemic, Madam started voluntarily helping the people, emotional and financial support who are very poor. After knowing about this Each One Reach One mission by Kiran sir, I also got this opportunity in this mission under the guidance of Dr. Katyani Madam. We also started to motivate the people who are suffering from COVID in my surroundings and our family members. I have supported them emotional and economically by providing medical kits. And also I have contacted daily 10 members to take safety precautions like wear a mask and maintain physical distance, then doing yoga and breathing exercise and healthy food also. I have suggested to take vaccination. I am very happy to part of this Each One Reach One mission, and also I thank to Sai Kiran sir and Dr. Katyani madam to given this opportunity. Thank you to all.